Hi Akshara. Hello Akshara. Do you hear me? Kritika's your mom, right? Hello. Hi, do you hear me? You're muted, ma. You have to unmute yourself, right? I don't see you.
Hi, Priya.
Hi. Hi Akshara, how are you, ma? Akshara, right? Akshara. Oh my gosh. Hey, you're able to hear me?
Yeah. உங்களுக்கு கேக்குதுங்க
So you கேட்கறது நல்லா கேட்குது.
நல்லா கேட்க மாட்டேங்குதா?
கேட்கறது நல்லா.
ஓகே ஓகே
I'm able to hear you. Are you doing your 7th, 8th, ma?
நல்லா கேக்குறேன்.
7th, 8th month. So tell me some topics that you're studying now.
Uh, Quadratic functions,
Oh, good. Okay, that's the current topic. What else?
data and statistics.
Data statistics. Okay. So have you dealt with correlation causation?
We're learning it.
Okay. What else? Quadratic functions. What are the methods you use to factorize?
Hmm?
What methods do you do to factorize a quadratic equation? What methods you know of? I'm not asking you whether you know something. I'm just asking you what you know.
Uh,
Don't worry. Whatever you know is what I want to know. That's all. Nothing else.
சொல்லு அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி அவங்க கிளாஸ் இருக்கேன்.
uh,
அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி எனக்கும் கொஷின் கேட்க முடியும் இல்லையா? ஸோ யா
I know the quadratic equations.
ஓகே. எப்படி ஃபேக்டரைஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு டு யூ நோ த மெத்தட்ஸ்?
Yeah,
ஓகே. வாட் மெத்தட்ஸ் டு யூ நோ?
I don't know how to say it.
சரி, ஓகே. குவாட்ராட்டிக் ஃபார்முலா டு யூ நோ?
Yeah,
ஓகே. கம்ப்ளீட்டிங் ஸ்கொயர்ஸ் டு யூ நோ?
yeah,
கம்ப்ளீட்டிங் ஸ்கொயர்ஸ் யூ நோ?
yeah,
ஓ, தட்ஸ் நைஸ். ஓகே, இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங். Discriminantனா do you know what is a discriminant?
yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Will you be able to find the type of roots of a quadratic equation?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. What is the most difficult topic you've come across?
Quadratic functions.
Quadrat. Oh, that's hard, huh? I see. Why? What is making it hard?
Sometimes I make mistakes while I'm factoring it.
Oh, you make mistakes while factoring it. Okay. In the method, which method do you think you're making mistakes when factoring it?
Probably just completing the square.
Ah, completing the squares. I see. Good to know. Okay.
சும்மா பேசு.
Are you able to see my screen?
No.
Wait. I started sharing the screen.
வரல. Okay, okay. I'm seeing, but I don't know why you're not seeing. 1 minute. Worry ஒரு நிமிஷம். Something is going wrong. I don't know what is that. Let's see. Okay. Have you studied parallel perpendicular lines, ma?
Hmm.
You've studied?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice to know. Okay. How about rational exponents and radicals? Have you studied?
Yes.
Okay. Are you comfortable with all those?
Hmm.
Okay, now you're able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, good to know. Okay. So you know how to solve the ordinary equations, solving for variables, all that you know?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you know how to say write the equation of a line that is parallel to x equal to 0 and passes through 5, 9. Do you know how to write the equation of this line, Amma?
Yeah.
How? What is the equation?
Should I write it?
Yes.
Okay.
You can just shout it out as well. Or tell me how would you solve?
Um,
If you don't know, it's absolutely fine. I'm trying to gauge what you know, that's all. Don't worry about not knowing or knowing. Simply you can say, Auntie, I don't know this. Let's go move on to the next one. Like that.
I forgot how to do
Do
this.
this. Okay, no problem. Okay. Do you know how to find the equation? Do you know how to find the slope of this line?
Yeah.
What is the slope?
Isn't it 2,
What is the y-intercept?
3?
Good job. Okay. Now, if I give you like this, what is the slope of this line? Y-intercept? That is hard, right?
I can solve it on paper.
Yeah. Please use paper for this one. Or you can solve it on the board if you are able to write on the board. You can annotate on the board as well. Mm-hmm. Wait, Amma. Very nice to see you writing. Is this right? I see it. Okay, from here you have written this. Is this right? The conversion?
Yeah.
Okay, let me do this. 5x plus 3y equal to 10, right? You subtracted 5x on both sides, correct? Did you see that? I am getting a different equation. What is so different? What is the difference between the steps are perfectly right, ma. What you did was subtract 5x on both sides, right? But when you subtracted, you did not add this. Go ahead. Did you get it, ma?
Priya.
Didn't get it. இல்லைம்மா 5x plus 3y equal to 10 வந்ததில்ல. Then you wrote 3y equal to 5x plus 10. Is this right from here?
That's how my teacher taught me.
Okay. Okay. Tell me this. What did you do here? What is the first step you did to get this? What did you do from here to here? Can you educate me how you did that? Now you're dividing by 3, right? Like that, from here to here, what did you do?
சொல்லு வேகமா சொல்லு.
Let her take her time, பரவாயில்லை. Go ahead.
தெரிஞ்சதை சொல்லிட்டப்பா.
இந்த ஸ்டெப்லேருந்து இந்த எப்படிமா கொண்டு வந்தேன்னு கேட்குறேன். கரெக்டு தான், ஒரே ஒரு சின்ன மைனர் மிஸ்டேக் இருக்குது. அது என்ன பண்ணேன்னு சொல்ல இங்கேருந்து இங்கே. Okay, you don't want to proceed with this problem? I'm fine. Don't worry about mom and all. Do you want to proceed with another problem?
நீ அதை எப்படி போடுங்கன்னு கேட்கறேன். அதுக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணுடா.
Okay, let's come back to this later. Sari, let's see. Okay, do you know how to do this, ma? Do you know how to simplify this? If you have not studied, you can say I have not studied, because I'm trying to gauge what you know. It's not like you should know everything I ask you. You got it? You can just say you don't know as well. Okay, இப்போ சொன்ன பார்த்தியா, completing squaresல you will make mistakes. You have already told me, I know that. Okay, so do you know how to simplify this? Okay, you want to do it on the board?
போர்டில் பண்ணுறியா நோட்டில் பண்ணுறியா?
Yeah, whichever is easier for you, you do.
Mm.
When is your state exam, Mama? In algebra?
May.
Mail, yeah. Okay.
I forgot this one.
No problem. What did you forget? You can tell me what part you forgot as well. I'll help you. Tell me. Which part you forgot? I'll help you.
Don't we subtract 2 by 4?
Correct. Then what did you get? Correct. I'll help you wherever. Yeah, go ahead. Ask me doubt. I'll help you and get you through. Go ahead. Correct. You subtracted. So what happens?
Do we put it on the bottom or the top?
Ah, okay. I'll tell you. See, I understood what is your problem. 2 minus 4, right? Then y square. Then you have, how do you change it to a power? Do you know how to change it to a power? Okay. You got it? Radical becomes a rational exponent. You got it? Okay. Now this is x power of minus 2, y power of 2, x power of half. When you see this, these two have same basis, right? So minus 2 plus half, right? So this becomes minus 2 plus half is minus 3 by 2. Do I make sense? Okay, y squared. And then I don't want a negative exponent, right? So I take it to the bottom to make it a positive exponent. Now what happens? Y square, this is x root 2, correct? X root x, right? I don't want the root x, so I multiply by root x on both sides. You got it? Then this becomes x squared. So y square root x by x square. Have you studied this in school? Not really? Okay. Okay. What is this function, ma? What is this function? Do you know? What is it called?
I don't know what it's called.
Absolute value function. Do you know how to graph this?
Mm,
Huh?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure. Okay. 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 How about, do you know how to graph this, ma? Same. Let's go back to that same question. 5x plus. We had this right earlier. Do you know how to, okay, let me give you an easy one. Do you know how to graph this one?
Yeah.
You know how to graph? How what steps would you follow to graph it?
So you graph the y-intercept,
Mm-hmm.
and then you make the 3 into a fraction,
Mm-hmm.
and then you go up 3 and over 1.
Ah, okay, got it. So first, what will you plot? Tell me for what is the first point you'll plot? Yeah, your idea seems correct. So what is the first point you'll plot?
5,
Mm-hmm. What 5?
5, 0.
50 or 05?
Oh no, 0, 5.
Ah, and then what?
And then
Let me do this here, okay? I should have done it here. Let's use this graph. Go ahead, because you might be going up and down, right? Go ahead.
you go up 3,
Mm-hmm.
and then you go over 1,
Good. One to the right or left?
Right.
Good. Why right? Why right, ma? Why not left?
Because it's positive.
Very nice. Go ahead. So that's it, right? You have 2 points and you can draw the line, correct?
நிறைய பேசு
Okay, nice. Okay.
ஸ்க்ரீன்
Okay. If I give you a list of data points, right? Let's say I give you this. Okay. Would you be able to tell me the correlation factor between the two quantities? Do you know how to find out the correlation coefficient?
We're still learning that.
Oh, you're still learning that. So they finished quadratic and they've come to correlation, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay. How about okay. Okay. Do you know how to use quadratic formula to find out x? You know?
Yeah.
Okay, let me change it a little bit. Let me make it easier. Or do you know how to 1 second. Okay, let me write this like this. 1 second, ma, please wait. Yeah. Do you know how to use completing squares? Quadratic formula, I know. Once you say that you know, you will just plug in values. You know how to use completing squares? Tell me, how will you do? Let's do it together. I'll also help you, you help me. How?
The 5 over.
What, ma?
Do you subtract the 5 over?
Okay, you want to subtract the 5. Your method might be different. I'll go with you. Don't worry. What do you do?
X plus 6.
X square. X. What do you want me to write? You
Oh,
can
wait.
write, or you can let me write.
Oh. Oh, wait. No, wait.
மைண்ட்ல ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணாங்க நோட்ல போடுங்க
Better you do it or do it directly on the board. Either of this will work. How do you do in algebra? Do you do good at school or how do you do? I do know a little bit from your dad, but you let me know how do you do at school as well.
மிக்சர் வாட்டர் கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்
I forgot how to find the
No problem. Go ahead and do quadratic formula. Just tell me the x-intercepts. You know how to find the x-intercepts?
in this equation.
Yeah. Don't worry about completing squares. Completing squares is hardest. Since you said you knew, I was giving that to you. You go ahead, use quadratic formula. I'm fine.
I'm not used to finding the x-intercept, only the y-intercept.
That is for a linear equation, right? This is a quadratic equation, right? Okay, y-intercept, what do? You just substitute x equal to 0. Do you do that? What is the y-intercept in this?
5.
Okay, when I graph it, where will the y-intercept be? Can you show me? What sort of a graph is this? Is it a line or a... What sort of a graph is this? What type of a graph is this?
A line?
Not a line, right? Okay, so this is a graph, this is a parabola, right? X squared. If you have, Seema, if you have something like this, right? This is a line. The power of x is 1, right? This is a graph. You see, but I'm sorry, the meaning I can't, it's not a one-on-one match. I just gave you example. X plus 1 is, it's moved to the x's, move to the left. So this is the graph for this one. So when you think about y or f of x equal to x minus 1, then it's moved to the right. Similarly, f of x, these are all line graphs. You see, f of x equal to x, this is the graph. These are all line graphs here because the power of x is 1. You see, whereas here the power of x is x square, right? So it has to be a graph like this, like this, like this, something like this, a u graph, right? That is what differentiates between, this is a quadratic function. Okay, this set is a linear function. Make sense? Okay. Okay. What else? What are the other topics you've studied? What are the other topics you've studied, ma?
Mm,
Hmm? Do you have the canvas with you, canvas or whatever? What does your school use?
clever.
Okay, clever. Okay. Would you mind showing what are the topics you're dealing with at school? Show me. You want to screen share and show me?
Okay.
Just show me. Let me stop the recording now because if you screen share, I don't want your data to be recorded. Wait, let me stop the recording. Go ahead. Now